Hey everybody, it's Tim from Cruising Together Couple here on Carnival Venezia. Wanted to talk to you about these smart elevators and how they work. When you come up to an elevator, you're going to have to touch the screen to turn it on and then push the floor that you want to go to. This isn't your up and down style elevator. Once you pick your floor, it will tell you which elevator to go stand next to, such as this one is X, this one is W. And another thing you need to know is that when you push the button, you have to push it for every person in your party. So if there's two of you going to ninth floor, hit 9. Hit 9. And that way it knows it's 2 and it won't try to overfill the elevators. There's no buttons on the inside. Once you get inside, you just go right to your floor. Sometimes there's extra stops in the way if some other people ended up in that same elevator. Here's what we always say. Just take the steps if it's a few floors. The elevators can be kind of slow, and you need to work off that buffet anyway.